Hey there. It's nice to meet you. Now, Ellie's new voice is called Bing Translator, Ember. But unfortunately, IBM Watson is not found. Besides, it's her new voice in 2013 to present. You wanna see her voice?
Hey there. How are you?
Hey there. How are you?
That's pretty amazing. Bing Translator Amber replaces IBM Watson Allison of the voice of Ellie. That's my sister. Anyway, IBM Watson ended this year, in late 2024. If you like Ellie's voice, leave a like and drop a comment. Okay, I'll see you soon on the next video. Hee hee.